Harbor Freight has some new super coupons. I'm going to show you the top ones you should go for. And the coupons start on June 22nd and go until July 5th. So you do have a couple weeks to get them. And I'm going to show you the top ones to go for. First up is going to be a Doyle vise. In particular, it's going to be this 4.5 inch one that offers a 4.5 inch jaw opening, and it's 3 5/8 throat depth. It has 7,700 pounds of clamping force. It does weigh 39 pounds, has a back anvil to it as well. And the normal retail price is 150 bucks. And you'll actually be able to save $50 on that, which is going to be 100 bucks. And that's saving 33% on that one. So it is going to be a better deal than what they had during the parking lot sale, 30% off of the Doyle. So it would be an excellent pickup for only 100 bucks. And don't forget, it does come with a lifetime warranty. It almost seems they always have a deal on this Hercules 15 amp, 66-pound breaker hammer. It offers 1,000 beats per minute. It holds a 1 1/8 inch hex bit, has shock absorbent, durable transmission, and it fits collared or non-collared bits. The retail price is 650 bucks, and you'll actually be able to save 18% on that, which is $120 off, and pick it up for 530 bucks. The next deal is going to be on the Bauer 12-inch, 1 1/4 horsepower disc sander. It has an 8 amp motor and direct drive train. It's made of a cast aluminum table, and it goes at 1,725 RPM. The retail price is 200 bucks, and you'll be able to pick it up for 170, which is saving 30 bucks on that, and that's 15% off. And another Bauer deal is going to be on this 10 amp, 1 1/8 inch SDS type variable speed rotary hammer, and it does appear to have a variable speed dial there in the handle part. This is a 2-option hammer drill. So you either have hammer drill or hammer only modes. So there's no drill only mode, so it's hammer drill. And this retails for 95 bucks, and you'll be able to pick it up for 80 bucks, and that's saving $15 on that, and that's 16% off. And the next Bauer deal is going to be on this 4.5 inch angle grinder with the slide switch to it. This is going to be their smallest and cheapest angle grinder that they offer. The retail price is 30 bucks, and you'll be able to pick it up for 23 bucks, and that's saving 23% on that. Now, if you've been waiting for a deal on the Bauer 20 volt 18 gauge brad nailer, this would be the time to get it. It has a switchable trigger and dry fire lockout. This is going to be sold tool only, and the retail price is 120 bucks. And how about picking it up for only 80 bucks? That's saving $40 on that, and that's 33% off. That's an excellent deal on it. And on the box, it does say that it will shoot 60 nails per minute. And they have a pretty good deal on this Central Machinery. It's a 30-inch pedestal high-velocity shop fan. It offers 3 speeds and a 9-foot power cord. The retail price on that is $170, and you'll be able to pick it up for $120, which is saving 50 bucks on that, and that's 29% off. That's an excellent deal. And if you need something a little bit more compact, they have another fan option by Central Machinery. It's a 24-inch high-velocity shop fan. It offers 2 speeds and a 6-foot power cord. The retail price on that is 150 bucks, and you'll be able to save $30 on that, and that's 20% off, and pick it up for 120, which is the same price as the pedestal fan, 120. And these are the same fans they had on a deal during the parking lot sale this last time around. So this other one they have, Central Machinery, it's a 24-inch wall mount fan. It has 2 speeds and a 7.5-foot power cord. This one also retails at 150 bucks. You can also pick up that one for 120, saving 30, and that's also 20% off. And they even have an icon deal on the professional deep external Torx socket set that has a 1/4 inch, 3/8 and 1/2 inch drive. It's a 13-piece set total. These are the different sizes that it does include. I don't know if I can get a good look at what it looks like there for each of the sockets. So this retails at 40 bucks, and you'll be able to pick it up for 30 bucks, and that's saving 25% on that one. And the next deal is going to be on this Central Pneumatic 100-foot manual steel air hose reel. This one does retail at 25 bucks, and you'll be able to pick it up for 20 bucks, and that's saving 20% on that one. That is decent savings. If you're enjoying this video so far, I really appreciate you do give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more tool deal videos like this. And also, just so you know, I will have the link down in the description below that'll go to the super coupons directly to their site. But if you're watching this on Sunday night that I'm posting this video, the coupons won't be released on their site until Monday morning. So I just want to make sure you knew that up front, but they will be posted there. in the description. Now let's go to the next deal. And the next deal is going to be a decent one on this Quinn 14-piece spark plug socket set. It includes both the SAE and metric in the 3/8 drive sockets. They have rubber inserts that help keep the spark plugs centered to help prevent damage. And they are extra deep sockets for extended reach into recessed wells. It looks like it comes with a foam insert, so you put it directly right into your toolbox, and it keeps it nicely organized. Even has an extension bar there. And here's a look at the back of the package that shows everything that is included with the 6-point sockets. Looks like a great set. And this retails for 80 bucks, and you'll be able to pick it up for 60 bucks. So saving $20 on that, which is 25% off. That is a decent deal. And they're going to have a pretty good deal on this Pittsburgh multi-use saw set. It's 11-piece total set because it does include extra blades for the hacksaw. It also has a wallboard saw that's a 6-inch one and a 10-inch mini hacksaw. So 11 pieces total. Retail price is 20 bucks. And you'll be able to pick it up for 13 bucks, and that's saving 35% on that one. That's an excellent deal, an even better deal than what you could do for next weekend's 30% off deal. Next up is the 4-pack of the magnetic hook set. It's a 4-piece set there. They offer 4 3/4 of a pound magnetic pull to it. They retail at 5 bucks, and you'd be able to pick them up for 3 bucks. That's saving 40% on those. That's a pretty good deal, and that's a limit of 4. And they have a deal on this Storehouse 30 bin wall mount parts rack. The regular price is 20 bucks for this one, and you can pick it up for $15, which is saving 25% on that. And of course, if you are an ITC member, you would be able to save 30% off on it next weekend. But if you're not a member, it would be a good pickup to save 25% on it. And this next deal is going to be a good one on this ratcheting cargo bar by Hallmaster. It adjusts from 40 inches to 70 inches. And this is the one that I actually have a couple of them on, and they work pretty good. I use it in my cargo trailer to help secure loads against the wall, and they work pretty good. It'd also be great for a pickup truck as well in the truck bed to help hold things in place. Well, the retail price on that is 30 bucks, and you actually be able to pick it up for 20 bucks, and that's saving 33% on that one. That's an excellent deal on them. And that one is a limit of 3. In the next deal, they don't have on display, so they have this tag for it. It's on the Badland Farm Jack. It's a 48-inch one. That's rated at 5,000 pounds, and it has a 41-inch max lift. So the retail price on this jack is 110 bucks, and you'll be able to pick it up for 80 bucks, and that's saving $30 on that, and that's 27% off. That is a good deal on it. And next up is a good deal on the Gojo scrubbing towels for both hand and surface that'll clean heavy metals, grease, paint, tar, and adhesives. Normal retail price is 18 bucks, and you'll be able to pick it up for 13 bucks, and that's saving 27% on that tub, and that's a limit of 3. And I do use these. These work pretty good. It's definitely worth the pickup at that price, only 13 bucks. And if you're in need of a new transmission jack, they have this one by Pittsburgh. This is the bigger one of the two that they offer. This was the 2,000 pound rated, low profile, goes to a max height of 31 inches, a minimum height of 7 1/16 inch, and has an adjustable tilt saddle to it. The normal retail price on that is 380 bucks, and you'll be able to save 100 bucks on that and pick it up for 280. That's 26% off. That's a great deal on it. And they have another Icon deal. This is going to be in the R134A AC manifold gauge set. The retail price on that is 200 bucks, and you'll be able to pick it up for 160 bucks, which is saving $40 on that, and that's 20% off. And just so you know, this does come with a 1-year warranty. And they have another Icon manifold gauge set. It's on the R1234YF1 that also retails at 200 bucks, but this one you'll only be able to pick it up for 170, which is saving 30 bucks on that, and that's 15% off. Next up is the Pittsburgh 10-ton heavy-duty hydraulic body repair kit. It comes in a nice hard plastic case, and it even has wheels on it too, so you can wheel it around. These are all the parts and pieces that it comes with, and they show it here on the top part of the box as well. So at the store here, they say it retails at 270, but based on the coupon, it says it retails for 260. But regardless what it's priced at, you'll be able to pick it up for 190 bucks, and that's saving 70 based on the 260 price. And that's going to be 27% off based on that 260. So if your store has it for 270, that's even better savings. And this next deal is going to be on the Avanti airless paint sprayer. It's rated at 18.6 gallons per hour. You can spray unthinned paint and stain, and you can just spray directly from the paint container. It does come with a 25-foot hose, and it's rated basically at 140 gallons per year for the use. So here at the store, they have that as a retail price at 260. But again, we have another discrepancy because based on the coupon, it does say 250 bucks. So regardless, you will be able to pick it up for 200 bucks. And that's saving $50 based on that 250 price. That's going to be saving 20% based on that 250 price as well. So decent savings there on this paint sprayer. And another central machinery deal. It's going to be on this 6-pound dual drum rotary rock tumbler. It goes at 45 RPM drum speed, has a non-slip rubber feet to it, and it says it is a quiet rubber barrel. The retail price on that one is 80 bucks, and you'll pick it up for 50 bucks, and that's saving 37% on that. That's an excellent deal on it. And another Quinn deal they have is going to be on this 87-piece professional electronics repair kit. I have this kit and it's pretty nice actually, and it comes in a nice case too that closes all up and keeps everything organized in this little organizer there of all the different bits and parts. Here's a back of the package to show everything that does include with it. So it is a nice kit. It offers the lifetime warranty on this kit as well. So if anything goes wrong with it, obviously you could go swap it out at the store. So this kit does retail at 40 bucks and you'll be able to pick it up for 30 bucks and that's saving 25% on that one. So it is a decent deal on it. And they even have a deal on the Pittsburgh precision screwdriver set. It's a 34-piece set and it comes with the various sizes of the different bits, a plastic tray that organizes them, and a clear plastic lid. Here's the back of the package so you can see everything that's listed that's included from the slotted Phillips, Posi, Torx, and hex bits. The thing that's nice about it is it does have a flexible extension to it, and this retails at 11 bucks, and you'll be able to pick it up for 7 bucks, and that's saving 36% on that set. So there's a good deal on it, and it's a limit of 4. And the next deal is going to be on this Braun 1400 lumen headlamp. It is rechargeable, offers a runtime up to 13 hours and a range of 560 feet. And you can twist to zoom the head of it to focus either a wide beam or spotlight. And the part of this also swivels up and down, so you can adjust where you need to angle the light at. So it's pretty nice. And this does retail at 35 bucks, and you'll be able to pick it up for 28 bucks, and that's saving 20% on that one. So it's a decent deal, and it is a limit of 2. And of course, it is not as good of a deal as it was a few months ago during the parking lot sale where they were 40% off on all Braun lights. But saving 20% is still decent. And they do have another Braun light deal that's on the 750 lumen one that offers a runtime up to 5.5 hours, range up to 80 feet, and it has variable light modes. But I'm only mentioning it because there's going to be a better deal next weekend using the 30% off on it. If you're an ITC member, the normal retail price is 15 bucks for it, and you'd be able to pick it up for $13 on this super coupon. But otherwise, if you wait till next weekend to save 30% off, you'd be able to pick it up for $10.50. And they have decent savings on this Black Widow gravity feed dual action airbrush. It does come with a 3-year warranty on it, and it has 0.3 millimeter and 0.5 millimeter for the needle nozzle sizes. So the retail price on that is 80 bucks, and you'd be able to save $20 on that and pick it up for 60, which is 25% off. It is a decent deal on it. And next up is a deal on the Kenway brand of the 2-piece submersible LED trailer light kit. It comes with the flat 4 connector, and it features the stop, turn, and tail lights. It even has a license plate light that is underneath one of these lights that shines down that would have the license plate underneath it. And it's a pretty decent kit. I have firsthand experience with it. I did have to replace the trailer lights on a boat trailer I used to have, and they are nice and bright, and being LED, they were really nice. So it was a major upgrade, and I would definitely recommend picking these up if you have a need for them. And the retail price on those are 40 bucks, and you'd be able to pick it up for 30 bucks, and that's saving 25% on that set. So here it has the little mount there for the license plate holder, and it has the light on it. So it's a pretty decent kit there, especially for only 30 bucks, and for them to be LED lights and submersible. And they have a pretty good deal on this Hallmaster brand of the 2-inch by 20-foot E-Track ratchet tie down. So if you happen to use E-Track in your trailer or cargo trailer, you can go with this strap. It has a 1,467-pound working load and 4,400 pound of braking strength. The retail price on that strap is $12 each, and you'll be able to pick it up for 8 bucks each. And it is a limit of 4, and that's saving 33% on it. So it is a good deal on it. The next deal is going to be on the Hallmaster 5/8 rotating locking hitch pin. It comes with 2 keys, and the retail price on that is 14 bucks. And you'll be able to save 42% on that one and pick it up for 8 bucks. That's an excellent deal on it. And they do have another hitch pin option of the 5/8 size by Hallmaster. This one has a side lock off to the side versus the other one has like more of a handle to it. So this also offers 2 keys, and that's priced at $12.99, and you'll be able to pick it up for $8.49, and that's saving 34% on it. That is a pretty good deal. And they even brought on a deal on this Maddox 12-piece trim panel scraper set. This is the set I just featured in my 30% off deal video that I just posted. So this is a great kit. This is the one that I picked up during the Maddox parking lot sale that they had the deal on the 30% off on them. This does come in a nice case with it. That's a zippered closed case, and it keeps everything nicely organized. The retail price on it is 20 bucks, and you can pick it up for $15, which is saving 25% on that. So obviously it's not a good of a deal compared to the saving 30%, but in case if you're not a member, then you can save 25% on it now, and it's still a good deal at only 15 bucks. And there's another Maddox deal. It's on the 42-inch max manual bead breaker. It fits up to rims that are 42 inches in size, up to 14 ply tires. It unseats bead on the tire. It has a ratchet wrench power. The retail price on it is 90 bucks, but you can pick it up for 60 bucks, and that's saving $30 on that, and that's 33% off. So that is an excellent deal on it. All right, the next item I cannot find here at the store, but I wanted to mention it here. It is a Bauer 10-pack of the metal grinding wheels. You can pick them up for 10 bucks. They are normally priced at $17, and that's 41% off. So it's an excellent deal on them, and it's a limit of 4. And they have a deal on the Hercules 3-piece recip saw blade set. It's 12-inch size, and the teeth are 7-11 variable pitch with a thick kerf, so you can cut into wood, nail-embedded wood, metal, and plastic. And it's a 3-pack of them. Retail price is 13 bucks for it, and you'll be able to pick them up for 10 bucks, and that's saving 23% on that set. And another Hercules deal is going to be on this 4.5-inch 24-tooth general purpose blade. So it's for those small circular saws that they have. This will also work for the DeWalt one that's out there as well. And you're able to cut into hardwood, softwood, pressure treated, OSB, and laminate. Looks like a decent blade. It actually looks like a knockoff of the Diablo style blade. The retail price is 13 bucks, and you'll be able to pick it up for 10 bucks, and that's saving 23% on that blade, and that's a limit of 4. And another Hercules option is going to be on the 3-piece of the diamond grit hole saw set. It has a 1/4 inch, 5/16 and 3/8 inch wide bits that are the diamond grit. So you're able to drill into tile, glass, granite, stone, porcelain, and brick. It even has an easy plug removal there on the side, so that'd actually be pretty nice. Retail price is 28 bucks, and you can pick it up for 20 bucks, and that's saving 28% on that. So it's an excellent deal on them. And they actually look like pretty decent bits. They'd be perfect for installing shower doors, like into the tile work, and drilling right into the tile to set the screws. And that's a pretty good deal at $20 for these kind of bits. They are normally expensive for diamond grit. And another Hercules option is going to be on the T25 impact rated star bit set. So it has 4 of the 1-inch length ones and 4 of the 2-inch length ones of the T25. So they look pretty nice actually. Normal retail price is 7 bucks for this set, and you'll be able to pick it up for 5 bucks. And that's saving 28% on that one. That is a good deal. And they have a good deal on this Pittsburgh 6-bit impact screwdriver set. Obviously comes in a hard plastic case that stores everything in. It has a rugged striking into it, flared grip to protect from overstrike. The retail price on this is 10 bucks, and you'll be able to pick it up for 6 bucks, and that's saving 40% on that one. That is a good deal. And they have decent savings on this Pittsburgh 60-inch aluminum F-style bar clamp. It offers a lifetime warranty. The normal retail price is 20 bucks for it, and you'll be able to save 25% on that and pick it up for 15 bucks. That is a decent deal. All right, that's going to be the top super coupon deals I'm going to cover in this video. As I mentioned, I will have a link down in the description below so you can check out all the coupons that they will have available, but just be sure you do check it on Monday when they are released on the site. And if you did gain any value from this video, really appreciate you do give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more tool deal videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.